Hey guys, welcome to Lognox. Today I'll be showing you how to block someone on Facebook. And now to start right in now to block someone on Facebook, open up your Facebook app first. And you can see if the person you want to block is on your friends list, then they will be available on the friends on the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see there is the friends option. Tap over there and you on the top of the screen you can see the suggestions and your friends. Tap on your friends and all these people will be available on your friend list on your Facebook. Now to block them, simply tap the person whom you want to block and their profile will open like this. You can see the three dotted icon at the side of the message over here. Tap on that three dotted icon and over here there is the block option. Tap on block and again block and disclose. And there guys, we have successfully blocked someone on our Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.